Old Harbour High is represented by Mikhail Powell, Jonathan Williams, Richard Simpson, and Theo Carr. Vere Technical is represented by Jermaine Anderson, Ayana Martin, Michaela Daly, and Alvian Price. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, and Vere Technical won and decided to send Old Harbour High into bat. So we begin with Old Harbour High. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. And we begin with Old Harbour literature. Who is the author of the novel The Book Thief?
Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie.
Incorrect. Marcus Zusak. And Vere, your literature question, who is the author of the novel Looking for Alaska?
Jamaica Kincaid.
Incorrect. John Green. Local affairs for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Peter Bunting.
Correct. Local affairs, Vere. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Jonathan Green.
Incorrect. Julian Robinson. Jamaican heritage for Old Harbour. What is the English translation for the Jamaican word nyam?
Eat. Eat.
Correct. Jamaican heritage, Vere. What is the English translation for the Jamaican word picnic?
Child. Child.
Correct. French for Old Harbour. What number is 17?
17.
Correct. French for Vere. What number is in English? What number is douze in English?
12.
Correct. Music for Old Harbour. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
We are in this world like oh, I am a Jamaican.
Buju Banton.
Correct. Music for Vere. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
This island needs Jesus. This island needs Jesus. He's the mighty king of
That's okay.
Incorrect. Carlene Davis. Art for Old Harbour. What is the name for a piece of art made by sticking various different materials, such as photographs and pieces of paper or fabric, onto a backing?
Collage.
Correct. Art for Vere. What is the name for the hand method of producing patterns in textiles by tying portions of the fabric so that they will not absorb the dye?
Batik.
Incorrect. Tie-dye or tie-dyeing. Old Harbour, theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
George Clooney. George Clooney.
Incorrect. Roger Moore. Theatre and cinema for Vere. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Daniel Craig.
Incorrect. Timothy Dalton. Bible knowledge for Old Harbour. What is the fifth commandment in the Bible?
Thou shalt honor thy mother and father. Thou shalt honor thy mother and father.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Vere. What is the 10th commandment in the Bible?
Thou shalt not covet thy brother's house.
Neighbor's house.
Yes. Sports, Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Yeah, this one. Louis Hamilton.
Correct. Sports for Vere. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Peter Patterson.
Incorrect. Janik Siner. And biology for Old Harbour. What type of symbiotic relationship is defined as one in which only one organism benefits while the other is neither benefited nor harmed?
Parasitism. Parasitism.
Incorrect. Commensalism. Biology for Vere. What type of symbiosis relationship is defined, or symbiotic relationship is defined, as both organisms involved benefiting from each other?
Mutualism. Mutualism.
Correct. English language for Old Harbour. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores: Old Harbour High on 7, Vere Technical on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.